Hello, everyone. Today, let's talk about something exciting: new opportunities. Life is full of doors, and we just need to learn how to open them. Don't think about big, scary changes right now. Think about small, new chances to make your life better. Every day gives you a chance to learn one new word or try one new thing. A good opportunity is often hidden. It usually doesn't come with a bright sign. It might look like a little challenge or a small question you need to answer. Maybe it's a difficult task at work or an invitation to a place you haven't been before. Be curious and look closely at the things happening around you. One important step is to look outside your routine. We all do the same things every day: wake up, eat, work. Try changing just one small thing. Take a different path when you walk home. Read a different type of book. This small change makes your mind ready to see things it didn't notice before. To find new doors, you must talk to new people. Everyone you meet knows something you don't know. They have different stories and different jobs. Just saying hello to someone new can lead to a surprise. Ask questions about what they do and where they have been. This is how you discover new paths. Sometimes, a great chance is just a new skill. Think about learning something simple, like a computer program or a way to fix things. Learning a skill is like gaining a new tool for your toolbox. The more tools you have, the more problems you can solve, and the more chances you can take on. A big part of finding opportunities is to simply say yes. If someone asks you to join a club or help with a small project, try to agree. Too often, we say no because we feel afraid or unsure. Say yes first and then figure out the details later. This simple word can change your future. You also need to let go of the past. If something didn't work out before, a job interview or a project that failed, don't let it stop you now. Every new day is a fresh start. You learned valuable lessons from those past times. Use that knowledge, but don't carry the heavy feeling of failure with you. Your thoughts are very powerful. If you believe there are no good chances for you, then you probably won't find any. You must believe that good things are coming. Every morning, tell yourself, today is a good day for a new beginning. Your mind will then start looking for evidence of that belief. So look around you. Be kind to people you meet. Say yes more often than no. And remember that finding a new opportunity is just about being ready to see a chance when it walks by. I know you can find great new things waiting for you. Keep moving forward.